Trainer-led strength workouts. Download the iFit app to start your free trial. Discover thousands of trainer-led video workouts on your own tablet or smartphone. Cancel anytime, no commitment required. Replace 10 dumbbells. With 5 weight increments per dumbbell, this compact adjustable dumbbell set delivers the same value as 10 individual dumbbells in a fraction of the space. Maximize your space. Rapid Strike Weight Selection System. Easily choose the weight value you want to train with. Move up in 10-pound increments for totally customizable training. Choose between 10 and 50 pounds. Fitted storage trays included. Store your adjustable dumbbells in custom-molded storage trays when not in use. Each tray is clearly marked with easy-to-read weight identification. Take up less space. Durable construction. These adjustable dumbbells are crafted from a combination of steel and hardened plastic. Included components. Dumbbell, tray. Top reviews from the United States. Best price for the weight and design. Had them for a week and been used every day and they are awesome. Yes, you get 2 dumbbells, they are plastic cased with some metal in the inside. You lift the blue tab and slide to whatever weight you want. You can select off weight 20 and 30 to make it 25 pounds but will feel off balance. I have used them for hammer curls and the tricep workouts and plates don't fall off or haven't yet.